I recently had a case where the mom was in the process of becoming divorced from the dad, which, as you can fully appreciate, is never a happy scenario for mom, dad, or the children. There was a couple children that were young. They were exposed one day to father who came in the house, over to the house, which they lived in an apartment complex with many other residents, and father was intoxicated, and he was belligerent and loud. One of the residents called the police. The police came, took dad out of the apartment complex, and DCF was called because father was intoxicated, and father had been at the home trying to see the children. DCF investigated the case, much to their credit, spoke to the children as well as to mom, and mom explained to DCF that as soon as the father came and he was intoxicated, she did not allow the children to be with him, didn't allow him to see the children, and didn't allow the children to go on a visit with the father. The father wasn't happy about this, and that's what caused the disturbance and father raising his voice and banging on the door. DCF in their investigation reached the conclusion that father was intoxicated, he was not proper, but he also wasn't a caretaker. Mom put a kibosh on that. Mom did everything she was supposed to do. So DCF closed the case quickly and understood that it was part of a divorce, that the Probate and Family Court were involved, had been involved, continue to be involved, and they allowed mom to seek whatever she needed to seek in probate court, and made it perfectly known that father cannot in any way, shape, or form ever see his children if he's been drinking or he's intoxicated. And mom adhered to their rules, made sure that the children never went with dad when he had been drinking, and made sure that when he was with the girls that he called her and she called him to make sure that he never drank while the children were with him. And DCF reached the conclusion that mom had done everything by the book, the right way. And this was a very difficult situation where when parents get divorced, it has a huge impact and makes a huge difference on the children. And in this case, mom had done the right thing, continued to do the right thing, and had assured DCF that the allegations of neglect against the father did not get supported against the mother, because she had done the right thing.